So I started in retail right out of high school. It was my first job. Yeah, during high school I babysat, but my first job was at a department store in Iowa, and I loved it. Absolutely loved it. And yeah, I was just hooked right from the gate. So I was with the department store for a majority of my life, actually, and it was a great experience. They had great training programs, did a lot of learned a lot in my position within that company, which is really providing useful today even still. And, yeah, so up until, like, 2005, I was with, that particular department store, and then I switched to a new department store for a brief time,